is Emily Kaufman, your independent Norwex consultant. Today, we're coming from the garage. Check out my skanky, dirty garage door. All of that. Years of buildup. So we're going to tackle it with the Envirocloth. And of course, we'll use the window cloth to get those windows polished. And then I had brought along my Enviroscrubber, which has the scrubbies on the back just in case, and the cleaning paste for that really stuck on stuff. So get watching. Just like that, using the Envirocloth window cloth, the Enviroscrubber, and some cleaning paste, we were able to get that door clean. Now the only thing that didn't come off was the rust, but I think she's looking pretty good. Thanks everyone, bye.